कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपने लिए बात कर सकती हूँ. I have only been able to make a career in music because of my training.
मेरे ख्याल से सुनीता, तुम्हारी आवाज में और दूसरों की आवाज में जो बेसिक फर्क दिखाई देता है वो ये कि तुम्हारी आवाज में वो शास्त्रीय संगीत की झलक दिखाई देती है, वो ट्रेनिंग दिखाई देती है, वो रियाज दिखाई देता है. When you sing, the training comes across so beautifully.
No, more importantly, it is that you can maintain yourself. You know, so you don't get old, you don't deteriorate. You just continue to get better and better because you've got the grounding.
Yes.
क्योंकि pop में क्या होता है, it's very possible to get carried away with the simplicity of the whole thing, and then you lose the depth.
मेरे पूछने का मतलब ये था कि इतना शास्त्रीय संगीत में इतना ध्यान देने के बाद क्लासिकल की तरफ सिंगिंग की तरफ ध्यान क्यों नहीं दिया?
अच्छा, नहीं, इतना तो नहीं दिया मैंने. I have not given that much. I have given about 4 or 6 years to Karnataka and about 3 to 4 to Hindustani.
Because you think there's more glamour, there's more money, there is more...
No, I think I have got a lot more attributes, a lot more, I should say maybe talents, which I wanted to exploit, which is not possible if I just sat with a sari and harmonium and did, you know what I'm trying to say. I mean, you know, I could dance and I could act, and I thought the only way I could put everything together was through pop music.
अच्छा, इतने सारे तुमने जो एल्बम्स निकाले, इतने गाने गाए, उसमें क्या वजह है कि परी हूँ मैं that became so immensely popular?
I think it's because it's got an element of sensuality as well as innocence. And I think it's the combination of the two that has really touched people's hearts.
आपने किस किस्म का इमेज जो है अब एक्वायर कर लिया है?
Well, a lot of people think that Pari is my image, but I don't think that's the only thing. I think I've got almost like 2 sides. I've got one which is a little more aggressive, like the Dheka look, and I've got the more soft side Pari, and I like to sort of play around between the two.
But जाती तौर पर, व्यक्तिगत तौर पे आप कितनी परी हैं और कितनी wicked हैं?
I think inside I'm a little more Pari.
Inside.
हाँ,
We'll clap for that. Yeah. That is what my